What are the best books for civil service exam preparation? Which books should be studied for UPSC civil services exam preparation? These are the most frequent questions which pops in every beginner's brain. It hits us so hard that we lose the confidence in initial stage of book selection only. We try to Google as much as we can. YouTube, the crust, mantle and core of YouTube. Yet we don't get the answer to our queries. Internet is full of data, but do we know a deductive approach to deduce materials available into things of our benefit? Difficult job, isn't it? So here we are. We will solve all your issues in a single video. You can follow this guidance which is compiled from suggestion of various toppers and experienced faculties. Watch the video till the end. Patience will only make you an IAS, IPS or whatever you desire. So now let's get started. We will streamline the material into basic books and standard books. NCERT, NCERT, NCERT. This might have echoed your brain to and fro whenever you try to understand the materials. But which NCERT, which class, old NCERT or new NCERT, etc., etc. always confuses us. So we will deal with the syllabus subject wise. I will name the basic books which will help in building your base, followed by a standard book. This will ease your burden. Take a chill pill and smile. You are in the right place now. Let's start by geography, my favorite. I like traveling, so I like to know about the places which are far beyond my reach in a hope that someday I get to visit. I hate summer, so I try to learn the weather pattern and ask the God, please send monsoon soon. Okay, check it now. Let's get into business. No more fun. For geography, you have to read NCERT from class 6 to 12. No ifs and buts. It's a must. The name of the books are Geography, NCERT class 6, The Earth Our Habitat. Class 7, Our Environment. Class 8, Resource and Development. Class 9, Contemporary India Part 1. Class 10, Contemporary India Part 2. Class 11, that is India, Physical Environment. Class 12, Part 1, Fundamentals of Human Geography. Class 12, Part 2, India, People and Economy. These all are the name of new NCERT book. Old NCERT of Geography is mostly map based, so you don't need to follow it. Instead, get a Oxford Student Atlas for India. It will be a red color book. Link for all the books will be provided in the description. So no need to worry. You can check it from the description box. Now the standard book for geography is Physical and Human Geography for GC Leong. That's all for geography, folks. But remember, you don't have to read the standard book of geography cover by cover. But NCERT of Geography from class 6 to 12 is a must. Read it by cover to cover and make notes out of it only after your third reading. That's all for geography. Let's get into polity, but not into politics. We are too busy with politics that we forget that our syllabus demands Indian polity and not BJP Congress tutu meme. For understanding polity, you need to get acquainted with basic terminologies like what is a state, federation, liberty, equality, etc., etc., which you will get from NCERT. Follow NCERT from class 9 to 12th. Name of the books are Class 9, Political Science, Democratic Politics Part 1. Class 10, Democratic Politics Part 2. Class 11, Indian Constitution at Work. Class 11 Part 2, Political Theory. Class 12, Part 1, Contemporary World Politics. Class 12, Part 2, Politics in India since Independence. Old or new doesn't matter because we just need to get familiar with the subject. In polity, we will focus more on standard book, that is Indian Polity by Lakshmikant. This book is considered as the Quran, Bible and Bhagavad Gita of UPSC preparation. Read it cover to cover. Now coming to a subject which is said to be a single subject, but it is divided into 6 parts. Can you guess it? Yeah, you guessed it right. It is indeed history, which is indeed a mystery. जल्दी पढ़कर निकल जाओ वरना हिस्ट्री के बुक्स वापस गवर्नमेंट रीराइट करेगी तो डबल मेहनत लगेगी. फिर करते रहना गरबा भंगड़ा जो भी गिड्डा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा अपने घर पे. Just kidding. The division are ancient history, medieval history, modern history, post-independence history, world history, art and culture. Basic books NCERT from class 6 to 12th. Class 6 Our Past. Class 7 Our Past 2. Class 8 Our Past 3. Class 9 India and the Contemporary World Part 1. Class 10 India and the Contemporary World Part 2. Class 11 Themes in World History. Class 11 An Introduction to Fine Arts Part 1. Class 11 Living Craft Tradition of India. Class 12 An Introduction to Fine Art Part 2. Class 12 Themes in Indian History Part 1. Class 12 Themes in Indian History Part 2. Class 12 Themes in Indian History Part 3. Class 12 Craft Tradition of India. Please note that Class 11 Living Craft Tradition of India and Class 12 Craft Tradition of India we have to read only selected chapters. Old NCERT, new NCERT, जो मिले पढ़ लेना for history. Now coming to standard books, for ancient and medieval history, you can refer to a single book, Ancient and Medieval India by Poonam Dalal Dahiya. For modern history, you can choose from these two widely accepted books, Spectrum by Rajiv Ahir or Modern Indian History by Sonali Bansal. The difference between these two books are Spectrum is more prelims oriented and Sonali Bansal is in more descriptive format, but make sure to read only one among these two books. For post-independence history and world history, you don't need to refer any standard book. It will be covered in NCERT books only. अब हिस्ट्री की बातें बहुत हुई, थोड़ा इकोनॉमी भी देख लेते हैं. ओके, सो इकोनॉमिक्स, यू कैन रेफर इंडियन इकोनॉमी by Vajiram Yellow Book for basic understanding or Ramesh Singh. You can go for one notes, that is Mrunal notes of economics. Sir have covered both the static and current affairs in a single note. Current events related to economics form the most weightage from economics section, so newspaper reading is a must. For environment, a single source, Environment and Ecology by Shankar IAS is enough. For Indian society, you can refer to NCERT books. Now next is Ethics and Integrity, that is by Lexicon. The next subject is Science and Technology, which is a nightmare for most of the students. There is no fundamental cure of science and tech, but only way is to religiously tracking the newspaper. You can either opt for the Hindu or Indian Express, whichever suits you better. Along with it, I would advise you to follow a monthly current affair magazine. It can be either of Insights, Vision or Surya IAS or anything which you like. One more crucial game-changing player is essay paper. But my advice would not be to follow any book, but to read editorials without any fail of the newspapers. The syllabus for various optional subjects would be uploaded in the coming videos, so keep a track of it. Also, let us know in the comment section which optional subject syllabus videos you would like to watch. That's all, folks. The video will give you profound clarity and help you with your preparation. See ya until next time. Jai Hind.